Hey, how's it going, guys? If you're like me and tend to get a little bit impatient, then this video is for you because today we'll be talking about two apps that will pay you instantly. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. And if this is something that you want to learn more about, then go ahead and join our community by tapping on the like, share, and subscribe buttons below because this is the type of content that we talk about day in and day out. Also, just a quick disclaimer before we start. What we're going to be talking about today is not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means. And if you're looking for instant money to replace your 9-to-5 job, well, this is not the video for you, and anyone who promises you instant money for nothing is probably not telling you the whole truth. And with that out of the way, let's go make some money! The first platform that can help us do this is called Survey Time. It's available on both Android and iOS, and as the name suggests, you earn money by answering surveys on their platform. This isn't the only way to earn though, and there's actually a second way that I'll be telling you about in just a second. But first, let me show you that Survey Time is legit. Based on 9,300 reviews on Trustpilot, its rating is at 4.5 stars, which is considered to be really good. So to get you started, simply visit surveytime.io and click on Start Now. You can choose to register via your Google account or manually. And once you do, you'll need to verify your email address and then answer some questions to build your profile. This way, the surveys that are sent your way are relevant to you. This does take a bit of time, but I personally think it's worth it. One thing I noticed is that Survey Time seems to have a lot more surveys available to its users than other similar platforms. And some surveys take longer than others, but the estimated time that you'll need to spend answering each survey will be visible to you before you actually start, which I appreciate. There will also be some surveys that you can answer just using your mobile phone, and others that will require you to use a computer. The surveys are taken through third-party providers, so after you click on a survey, you're then taken to another site, which is where you'll complete it. And after that, you'll be taken back to Survey Time, and that's when you can see your reward and decide on the payout method. All surveys that you complete offer the same reward, and that's $1. And as for the payout method, like I said, you can select. They do offer cash via PayPal, but also other gift cards and Bitcoin. The best part is that you can automatically receive your payment after completing a survey. You don't have to be requesting for payout and waiting for days or weeks to receive it. As for the second way to earn on Survey Time, I want you to tap on these three buttons on the upper right-hand corner over here, where you'll find the Affiliates tab. Doing this can actually make you more money than by simply filling out surveys yourself. So I do suggest that besides answering surveys on this platform, that you try and sign up as an ambassador, grab your affiliate code, and just promote it. I do have some videos that teach you how to do this, so make sure you check out the links I'll be leaving you in the description box or comment section below. Now for the second platform that will pay you instantly for your effort, and it's called Cloudways. Cloudways is a cloud hosting platform, and it's a pretty popular tool used by different businesses and individuals. Besides its hosting service, it offers an affiliate program, which is actually how you're going to make money here. Commissions on Cloudways sales are pretty awesome. They start at $50 and can reach up to $125 per new sign-up that you get. The payout, just like on Survey Time, is instant, and another thing that I like about it is that you get a full list of support and marketing resources at your fingertips so that you can easily convert referrals into paying customers in a snap. Apart from some of my videos on affiliate marketing that you should definitely check out because they will help you pull this off, Cloudways also has its own account managers who are trained to walk you through the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing, and this will enable you to maximize your income potential doing this. To get started as a Cloudways affiliate, click on these three bars on the upper right hand corner of your screen over here and click on affiliate. You'll then be taken to this page, and I want you to go ahead and click on become an affiliate. It takes less than a minute to sign up, and all you'll need to do would be to fill out all of the basic information that you know how to do by now. From there, you can get your link and start sharing it with people on the internet. Again, I do have videos on this channel that you can use as a resource to figure out the best ways to promote your affiliate link in, but to go through them really quickly, if you have a significant number of friends or followers on social media, then you can definitely leverage that. You can even start your own faceless YouTube channel by doing a review or a demo of Cloudways as a service. Simply download a screen recorder like OBS Project, which is really simple to use. I do have some videos on faceless YouTube channels where I share all of my best tips. So if you're open to that, then do check those out. And it's just a way to continue earning passively for years to come by recording a few videos every now and then. I also urge you to look for keywords on the YouTube search bar itself. Phrases like best web hosting service or review of Cloudways as a web hosting platform should work well. And then you'll need to leave your affiliate link in the description box or comment section of the videos for recurring passive income to start coming in. I hope you got inspiration from today's video and that you take action after watching. Let me know in the comments section below which of the two instant paying apps you want to try out first. If you do have any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comments section as well. I do read each and every one of the comments and suggestions that you leave me and appreciate them so much. Our YouTube community has gotten so engaged and interactive, and I just wanted to take the time to tell you guys that you are all amazing. And speaking of our YouTube community, if you haven't already, then do make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below so that you're always up to date each time we post a new video. Alrighty then, guys, it's time to work on these ideas and not just sit on them, okay? No matter how small, I urge you to get started doing something today. Signing up for either one of the platforms that I mentioned here, instead of just thinking about it, takes you one step closer to making more money and reaching your financial goals. Let us know how that goes for you, and stay safe, guys. I'll see you again on the next one.